Want to know the secret to soundproofing? Here's a hollow aluminum tube that I'm going to soundproof. Apparently what you want to do is make sound pass through layers of diametrically different materials in some property, like from soft to hard, from flexible to rigid. And when that happens at that barrier, the waves break down. They can't go from one extreme to another. So here's a steel plate, half-inch, very heavy, very ringy. But watch what happens when I do this. Sound is dead.